Lawyers reject Rivers budget presentation to four legislators and cite constitutional breach. Welcome to the news and thank you for tuning in to listen. Please subscribe to our channel to get notified when we post hot juicy news update. Please click on the notification bell. Senior lawyers have declared that the four lawmakers currently seated in the 32-member Rivers State House of Assembly cannot legally consider the 2024 budget presented by Governor Siminalayi Fubara. Speaking on the issue, Senior Advocate of Nigeria's SAN, Rebel Clark, and Wahab Shitu, plus legal experts Dr. Farsi Yusuf, Ige Asemudara, and Chuks Uguru, stressed that Section 96 of the 1999 Constitution clearly mandates a quorum of at least one-third of members for legislative sittings and duties. Hence, they affirm that four lawmakers cannot legally deliberate on the budget as it renders such proceedings null and void. The lawyers warn that the action risks plunging Rivers into a dangerous constitutional crisis and possibly anarchy, while urging security agencies to be on high alert. According to expert Yusuf, the situation sadly reflects the long history of political recklessness in Rivers and the repeated failure to learn from past mistakes. Governor Fubara has recently presented the Rivers State budget to only four legislators after 27 lawmakers defected from PDP to APC. The governor also supervised the demolition of the assembly complex. Legal expert Dr. Farsi Yusuf described the actions of the political actors as reckless and embarrassing. For too long, Rivers State political situation have been dominated by Getsepo gangsterism. It has not known peace politically, he lamented. The lawyers advised security agencies and the state to be on high alert to prevent a breakdown of law and order over the crisis. Elder statesman Clark further chided the move as a sheer rascality and something Nigerians must unite to resist for the sanctity of democracy. He lamented that failure to stop it could mean repeating the same anomalies for 20 more years. While asking parties to pursue resolution through constitutional means, the senior lawyers advised judges involved to refrain from granting ex parte orders on such weighty matters without hearing the other side or properly evaluating the facts and jurisdiction, an action that's only been ridiculed to the judiciary. Well, I don't understand what they talk. Let them come outside and do something about it now. What are they going to do about it? Are they going to say, okay, people wey cross carpet then go need River State go need to fix people there, abi? Let them come outside, and this is not what's it called? It's not an issue at all. Rented senior lawyers are now talking. You only hear their voices in a time like this. They forget to know that the Dicambis are no more River State legislation. Don't mind them. Who they say they don't know, they know. This old confusion should retire to the religion book because as it stands now in Rivers State, it is only 5 lawmakers are constitutionally elected and empowered to carry out legislative functions of the state, period. And I'm telling you, why is 5 people or why are 5 people not okay? Now they ask myself. Sometimes Nigerian constitution seems to be a joke. Whatever the case may be, either 4 members or simple majority pass the budget. Only the governor do whatever he feels and likes with the whole budget, okay? So why they complain? I tell you. The court has a lot of interpretation to make on this matter. Let both sides prove their cases before the honorable court. It is at this point they wish all may smile or squeeze their faces. Oh. Honorable court call for inside this country. You get court wey still dey honorable. Do you consider the fact that 25 renegade lawmakers who decamped to an opposing party had put the positions in their contention and that until the contention is resolved and removed, they are not giving legislators? Some so-called senior lawyers are dealt with lesser grey matters than those of a fish. So because of some people decamped, now the business of the state must stop. No, it cannot be. You really have spoken well. This lawyer must be a card-carrying member of the All Progressive Congress. All right. Monday Clark has always supported anything APC. We have only 4 members. We have only 4 elected members, so legally they can pass the budget. See, okay. what the law says the members that have gone to APC are former members, so they should go for re-election. They should conduct re-election now. You ever said out of only 5 makers and 4 out of 5 is even more 2/3 majority, not even 1/3. Is that what you know, or is it what the constitution recognizes? Constitutionally, the governor just made a huge mistake. Huge mistake how? In a time of crisis like this, don't be in a hurry to win. Bring everyone to the table for reconciliation and peace. Keyboard warriors shouting for war, give they will not give the feeling the heat, but the humble governor, Mr. Mike brought him in as governor, not this online borrowers, knowing he's soft with no political structure. But my humble admonition is he should follow peace to win big. The 4 members that present at the budget presentation are the legitimate ones. The rest, by the law, have ceased to members. Beer Parlour and Chief Judge, go and get your constitution and read it very well, and allow a knowledgeable lawyer to interpret it for you. Do not be in a hurry. This country is so lawless that some should be corrected once, and both parties in the feud be guided by simply telling them the truth. It's now becoming an avenue for the judiciary to make money. Oh, Nigeria. And who said there are only 4? Are the signatories only 4? Go to court and learn the true meaning of betrayal. Wiki brand of politics is staring him in the face. Fubara is doing greater works than Wiki, the teacher. Tall. Okay, what could they watch? Democracy is not good for Nigeria because politicians and the judiciary are now part of the problem. What Nigeria needs is now military rule, because if you ask me, ever since democracy came in Nigeria, please, can somebody tell me one thing that Nigeria people have achieved in this madness called democracy? But if you talk about the military, I would tell you all the assets in Nigeria was built by the military. I will tell you Boko Haram. Okay, I will tell you 7. Boko Haram, terrorists, unknown gunmen, dead refineries, dead naira, prostitution, and online warriors like you and me. Okay, this one now waiting democracy don't bring come Nigeria. And the person no lie. There have been more of Boko Haram, there have been terrorists, what's it called? There have been unknown gunmen, there have been dead refineries, dead naira, prostitution, and online warriors. Stop. Chief Clark is respected lawyer. Chief Clark is a respected lawyer like Femi Falana, who leave the substance and bewildering sentiment. Stop. Who are these lawyers? When they see this political turning democracy in prostitution, democracy, how can you defend to a political party and they didn't give vote? I strongly support the governor's action. Stop. Those supporting Fubara here, those supporting Fubara here will soon cry for him. All right. President should declare state of emergency in River if the crisis seems not properly resolved. I think that is what Wiki is counting on, but to me, it's not okay. All right. Baba lawyer, please keep clear from River State problem. You were there. You were not there when it started. All right, and those not to have come to the end of the news. We say thank you for tuning in to listen. Until I come your way next time, enjoy the rest of your day.